We're back. We have this system that was brought in by an engineer. It has a power problem. There are two capacitors that are visibly burnt, so we need to replace them from a scrap. And the damage is a capacitor, ceramic capacitor. So we remove the burnt ones and replace with another from that scrap board. So after taking them out, we check if the voltage is still coming into the system. So we're done. Let's see. It looks like the voltage is still short to ground somewhere, and the MOSFET looks like it's not transferring voltage from its ends. Then we need to replace that MOSFET as well from another scrap board. The MOSFET is the first IC that the current comes through to the board. So once we replace it, our motherboard should certainly work. So as we're done, let's see. We'll observe the fan. If it spins, it means the system is okay. Let's wait and see for the current. Yes, it's working. Let's check again. See, the fan is spinning. The system is okay. So on this case, it's been capacitor and the MOSFET ICs that we had to replace to get our board back to life. So you can see the spin will pick up now, the fan will pick up now, and that is it.